Hey friends, I hope you will forgive the puffy eyes and the red face. It's been a rough day around here, and I would love nothing more than to not share it and not relive it by walking through it again. But one of my big commitments here on YouTube is honesty. And with that comes honesty with the amazing parts of homesteading, the things that we love, and also honesty in the hard days. In the hard days. Today was a hard day. So today we had to put down our family dog, Jake. He was a golden retriever, which we think is just the best breed of dog there is. I know everybody loves their own, whatever dog you have, that's the best breed around. And that's what we thought of Jake. Golden retrievers are the best breed of dog. And the downside of them is they have a lot of health problems. Cancer being one that's really, really common. So we had noticed about 6 months ago that he had, at the time it just felt like a lump, but he had a lump in his neck, and kind of figured right away that it was probably a tumor, but had no idea it would progress as quickly as it did. And within a week, that one tumor had turned into two, and they grew rapidly and spread rapidly. And so it was very quick that we realized this was not something we were going to fight. This was just something where we were going to make sure he was really happy and comfortable right up until the end, however long that may be. And we really did not guess it would be as soon as it was. He started going downhill. We noticed he was, losing some weight. He was leaving food in his bowl at meal times about maybe a month and a half ago, and figured, that probably means we're in the last few months. And when we were gone, he just really took a turn for the worse. So we've been gone. We went on a 4-day vacation, just my husband and I, for our anniversary. And while we were gone, it really got a lot worse. He lost a lot more weight, and just had trouble getting around. Our dog sitter said he got stuck in the dog door. He just really had trouble standing, which we know is kind of a sign of end of life, is when a dog struggles to get up or lay down. And then we had signs. When we got home from the vacation, there were a lot of signs that he was not just having a hard time, but was in pain. And we want to do all we can to minimize pain in our animals. If there's no hope of getting better, we don't want them to suffer. That's never going to be what we want, at least here on our farm. Everyone's convictions are different, and I have no judgment if you fight to prolong the life of your animals. I think that's great. We knew that he was not going to recover, and thought that it was the kindest thing to end his suffering. And so we had our dog put down today. And that is a big void in our family. He's a dog, not a person. This is not equivalent to losing a person by any means, but But we do love our animals around here a whole lot. And he is going to be deeply, deeply missed by our whole family, especially our kids. He took good care of those kids. And so he's going to be missed a lot around here. But so this is one of those days where I wish I could share with you that everything about homesteading is beautiful, rainbow, sunshine, roses, but some days are really hard. This was probably the worst thing I've ever had to do, was put down an animal, knowing he could have lived more days, but that I didn't think it was kind to let him. That's hard. That's a really hard decision to ever make. So, my hope is that we will have a more upbeat video for you guys very soon. But I may take a couple days to recover from vacation and recover from today. And so I greatly appreciate you guys watching. I hope you will be kind to us in our honesty and openness with sharing this with you guys. Be kind to each other in the comments, especially. Everybody does what they think is best for their animals, or at least I like to think that about other people, that everyone is doing the best that they can. So treat each other with grace today, knowing that we're all doing our best. But I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.